Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm making zucchini crabless cakes. Great way to use zucchini with some amazing spices, simple to make, and no crabs were harmed in the making. Check it out. So I've got a little bit of a smaller zucchini, so I'm scaling the recipe a little bit for that. I've got about 3/4 of a pound zucchini. I think a pound or even up to a pound and a half would work well if there's for the full recipe. But like I said, you can just scale up, scale down. You can also use a really large zucchini if you have some of those kicking around in your garden. Just peel them and seed them, and then they'll grate up just fine. So I tossed the zucchini, I grated it up, tossed a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt in it, and put it in a colander. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and let it drain. It'll pull some of the moisture out of the zucchini, which makes it come out really nicely. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to make my aioli, chopping up 1 clove of garlic and 1 jalapeno pepper. And then I'm going to use an immersion blender. So I'm going to start with about 3 or 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, whole milk, and then the juice of 1 lemon, and the garlic clove. And then I'm going to add jalapeno and puree. And then I'm going to taste it, see if it's like at the heat level that I want. I like it spicy, I like a little bit of kick, and so I tried it and I'm like, oh, need some more jalapeno. Add a little more jalapeno. Get it to the level that you like it at. That way it's not too spicy. Puree that up. So that's done, and then I'm going to chop up 1 sweet onion, small sweet onion. If it was a spicy onion, I might do a little bit less, but this is sweet onion, so I can do a good amount, and I really like the texture it gives the crab cakes as well. Add that to my zucchini. I'm going to add 2 eggs. And about a cup of breadcrumbs, a little more if needed. Judge by, it's going to be, gooey, but you don't want it too wet. I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to add the spice blend. You can see the spice blend on my website for the full recipe, but it's also at Stock and Spice in Portsmouth. Paula makes this. This is her Great Bay blend. It is fabulous. Check it out there. Or if you can't get there, check it out on my website. Mix that all up. Put it in a nice hot pan with a neutral oil. We're going to fry these about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. About a banjo tune or so it takes. Let those get nice and crisp, golden brown. Flip them over. And you can serve these hot. You can make these the day before and serve them cold. Put them over a salad. Really, really delicious. I'm going to put those on a paper towel, and then I'm going to put them on a plate. I've got some fresh tomato that I think will go really nicely with them, and I'm going to put a little bit of that jalapeno garlic aioli, and there you go. All right, the crab cakes are done. Let's give this a try. Oh my goodness. I called them crab cakes, didn't I? Wow. These zucchini cakes are amazing. Try this one out. Simple way to use zucchini, especially in this time of year when you might have a lot of zucchini lying around. This is a good one. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. And I love the aioli. So good.